Welcome to the unboxing of Fingers keyboard. This is a backlit wired keyboard which is in the variant Magnifico Moonlit. This comes with illuminated keytops and laser etched characters. This keyboard has a very unique and sleek design and it is compatible with Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Inside the box there is one quick start manual and a thank you card. I got this from Amazon for around 900 rupees. This keyboard has a separate number pad and it also has a key with rupee symbol. The 12 function keys are also quick access multimedia keys. This product comes with 1 year warranty and a guaranteed 10 million live keystroke. For further information, check the product link in the description and do not forget to follow One Crazy Introvert for more such product unboxing videos.